Hey all, what's up? This is Tom, and I'm just gonna show you a trade that I've made now on Harmony's OneCoin. This is kind of the first live trading stream that I've done, and I seem to be having some technical issues. This is like the third time I've recorded this, so hopefully the audio is working. Hopefully everything's working. I'm seeing an error saying that the resolution is not supported, so I don't know. Hopefully when I'm done with this, it will all be working correctly, but I'll just keep this thing really short because this is more of a test. But look, this is a video for someone who might be brand new to trading, crypto trading. I'm just going to show you this trade that I've placed on Harmony's OneCoin, and I'm going to explain what a candle is real quick. Give me 2 minutes to do that, and then I will explain my strategy. Actually, no, what I'll do is for anyone who's watching this and actually wants to get the strategy, I'll do the strategy first, and then if you need to know what candles are, I'll explain that at the end. But basically, I'm looking here at, Harmony's OneCoin, and, if you take a look at the, at the daily chart, right, madness, it went parabolic, right? So if you bought this coin in anytime before late January, you are a very happy person. I mean, my goodness, let's look at the percentage here. 1,000%. 1,000% since late January. Oh no, as of today, 1,666%, and apparently climbing. Now I think there was a recent ramp up after Coin Bureau channel on YouTube put out another video saying how Harmony is like an overlooked coin. They put that out a couple days ago, and so I think they put it out, well, I don't know. I mean, I believe they put it out about right here, and then we see it going up even more. So how high it's going to go, I don't know. I'm not a professional trader. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this as a hobby, I guess, if you want to call it that. Frankly, I think everyone needs to be in the market, and everyone needs to be aware of how to like invest in the markets, because that's how you can not remain, basically if you're in the market, then you can have an abundance of wealth if you do it correctly. But anyways, what I'm going to show here is just the trade that I've put on. I actually put this on earlier today. I should have done it yesterday, man. I knew this thing was going to pump even more, but at any rate, we'll take a look at the 15-minute candles. And so I got in open orders, no order history. I put on a couple trades at 0.11399 and 0.11395. So where was that? 0.11. 0.11399. So about here, about at this kind of support level. So that's fine. But this video is about really, how to put a stop in there so that you don't get wrecked. And also how you go ahead and put in a buy order on Binance, a limit buy order, and my strategy on this particular trade in doing so. So the green dashed line here is my limit buy order. So as you can see, I kind of found a support level here. And if you're brand new to trading, I'm just going to speak as if you might be. This line here represents kind of like a base, a foundation for a price level. And as you can see, the price rose up and it came down, but it kind of hit this level, bink, bounced off, came down, hit it again, bink, bink again. And now this, if you can kind of see it, is a basic pattern, wedge, kind of a wedge pattern. And as this price consolidates, it usually does something. It's either going to go up or go down after it reaches the point of this triangle. And as we see, it did do that. So if you take a look at this, what you see as you zoom out a bit is an upward wedge, right? An upward triangle. Add another one. And the idea is, this thing's in my way. the idea is, if we project this out just a little bit, you know, potentially if it gets to somewhere around here, it's going to rip up again, or potentially rip down, you know, whatever. Something will probably happen once this consolidates. So if you want to kind of place a bet that it's going to rip up while at the same time limiting your loss if it goes down, then what you can do is do something like I've done here, which is I've placed a limit buy, which is at this dashed line here, or, you know, at this support level. So what I actually want is for the price to go down. Even though I have positions open here, what would be nice is if the price falls to this support level, which is where I'm going to buy at, and then it'll shoot up again. Man, I gotta sneeze. Come on, sneeze. Almost got it. It's not gonna do. Okay. Sorry about that. Woo. All right, now, because this is such an insane parabolic chart, really dangerous. Because imagine all the people that bought anywhere around here. These people could at any second say, I've had enough, I'm rich, I'm going to cash out and go live somewhere sunny for the rest of my life. And if they do that, you know, there's a good chance that this price is going to fall, and it could fall who knows how far. So you want to protect yourself from losing everything. So what you might do is what I've done here. I've set myself a stop limit order, okay, or stop loss order. Binance doesn't seem to have a stop loss order, but a stop limit's going to function the same way. Now again, hey, look, I'm not a professional trader. I don't claim to know everything, and this is like a side thing for me. So if I say something wrong, just correct me, and don't face major life decisions on what I'm saying here. Just telling you what I do, what I've done. So I've basically said, see, this is kind of a support level here as well. And if this falls, right, I reckon this is going to be the last line in the sand here. So if this price falls down past this low point right here, then there's a good chance that it's going to keep falling down all the way to this next support level right here, okay? And if that happens, I don't want to be around. I want to be out of the trade. Yes, I will have, you know, I bought again somewhere around right here, which means I'll only lose from like here to here. Hey, that's pretty good. And actually, you know, maybe tomorrow, or we'll see what the price does, but there's a chance that I will actually increase my limit, my stop loss up here, so that now I'm kind of like locking in my gains. But basically, I've chosen this point right here to put in my stop loss order, put in my stop limit order. And I'm just going to show you how to do that. You basically make your selection on whatever, you know, price you want to sell at if the price starts falling. So again, I've chosen this place because I reckon if it goes past here, falls past here, it's going to fall all the way down here. It could set off, you know, people could be all margined up on this trade, leveraged up, and it just cascades all the way down. Cascades, who knows how far down it could go, right? So you can find the actual price of this candle if you kind of just hover over it. And see this up here, see these numbers? Again, I'm talking to you as if you're a brand new trader. The O, you see an OHLC. The O is open, H is high, L is low, C is closed. So I just want to choose probably the low, you know, of this candle, which is 0.10520. So let's see where I actually put that. I put my limit at 0.10889. Oh, this is how many? Yeah, 0.10889. So where did I get that from? Zoom in here. 0.10889. Stop loss. 0.10889. On a stop loss, there's a trigger. there's a stop and a limit, right? So I'm not sure if this limit, so the limit should be at the actual price I'm trying to sell, or I'm going to get filled at, or trying to get filled at. I'm just trying to see. This is my stop, 0.10440. I'm looking for 0.10889. Actually, I don't see that. That's interesting. Trigger conditions, 0.10. Oh, I'm sorry, because I'm looking for my sell. I'm looking for this 0.10449, which is right here. It's at the top. So what this is saying is, here's the way that I put that trade in. 0.10. Sorry, this was a little bit earlier today, but you see this candle right here? You see how the low says 0.10449, this L right here? See that? So that's what I said. Okay, if it hits that, then I want to get out. So my trigger is that, but the actual price that I'm going to sell at is 0.10440. And 0.10440, 10. Actually, that's really not the greatest stop or sell point. 0.10440. I'm actually just going to do it again so y'all can see. So I'll go ahead and keep that as my trigger, right? If it falls there, I want to start looking to execute this order. So I'll put in for my stop 0.10440. Binance is having an issue that you can't put in the decimal point. It's really stupid. So do 0.10440. All right. Now the thing is, if it goes there, it might start falling so fast that you have an issue with something called slippage, and it's really hard to get your order filled. So really, there's another support level kind of down here that I see, right? And if it goes too far down, it's like I might as well not even sell it yet, because I should just wait until it gets to this support level here. Maybe it's going to bounce back off. So I'm basically going to say, I'm going to look at this candle. I'm going to look at we'll say the high of this green candle, or the close of this green candle. And we can see that is 0.10034. See it up here? See that? 0.10034. I'm going to make that as my limit. 10344. Okay. So where'd it go? 0.1. Yeah, right. So what this is saying basically, and if this happens, I'm getting out of everything. All right, I'm selling my whole position. What this says, and I'll go ahead and put it in. Okay. Yep. Confirm. So it says if the last price drops below my trigger price, which was like up here, then it's going to place an order to sell at a price of 0.10344. Okay. And again, I should just draw a line, but that's about right here. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, my trigger. Hey, did I put that in wrong? 0.10. Oh, maybe it's over here. Yeah, 0.10449. 0449. Yeah, that looks right. We just need to zoom in. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So as you can see, like the wick is touching my my sell here. Okay, so anyways, what this is saying is that if the price falls here, it's going to start executing this order. But if the price falls so fast that it breaks through this line right here, so all the way down, it's going to be trying to sell all the way to this green line. It's going to be trying to execute my sell order. But if the price is moving so fast that it cannot execute that order, and that's pretty unlikely, but it's possible, it could happen. and it goes through this line, I'm saying just forget it. If you pass this line without being able to sell it, just forget it, because if it hits here, then this is possibly another support line, and it can bounce off here and go back up, right? So, honestly, I probably should lower this a little bit. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's lower it to, like, I don't know, we'll say like right here, because again, if it passes through here, then I'd be looking for a quick bounce back up, and then maybe I could, sell up here. Okay. So we will go ahead and change that. We'll just make it the price at the top of this close here. So 0.9559. Okay. So what I'll do is go ahead and cancel this. Man, I should take a screenshot or something so I don't have. That's okay. 10.449. So just cancel this guy, the sell order. Okay, and again, that's fine. All of this is still sitting in there. That's good. And I'll make it again at the, I reckon, let's go ahead and make it at the open of this candle. So that is 0.09820. 0.09820. Okay, fine. And again, I'm gonna just get out of the whole position. Points. Yep. The low again, 0.09285. That's not what I put. Closed. No, oh, sorry. I'm looking for the open actually. 0.9554. Was I getting that other number from? It's okay. Open at 0.09554. Okay. There you go. All right, cool. So I'll get actually that. So that's what it's going to look like. Actually, we did it at the open, right? Sorry, it's been a long day here. Yep, 994. Okay, that's all fine. We have our sell. Yep. Our here. All right. So again, if it goes through here, we're going to be trying to sell as close to this as possible. But in the event that it goes past here without being able to sell, we're going to cancel the sell order so that, maybe it'll bounce back, and not there, but actually right here. See, it's going to go down here, hopefully bounce back, and then I can maybe sell it up here or something. All right. So anyways, that was probably not the greatest and cleanest live stream, but hopefully that, helps somebody. But the nice thing is that, at this point, what is that? Do I have another? Oh, that's where the price is at the moment. I can't get wrecked on this trade now. And what I will probably do is actually, we'll watch it a little bit, but there's a good chance that I might go ahead and raise this limit up here and just like lock in my gains. There's nothing wrong with that. And holy moly, it's getting up there too. So maybe we're about to witness another steep rise. I want to see another one of these. That'd be great, because we kind of see this wedge already. I don't know, maybe it already kind of wedged itself as tight as it was going to go, and now it's coming up again. Because interesting, I mean, this is, yeah, if it breaks that level right there, my guess is it's going to keep going up. But again, I'm not like trying to pump anything. I'm just, who knows? It could fall all the way to zero, and I would not be surprised at all. That's why you just got to make sure you put your stop losses in there, protect yourself, protect your investment, protect yourself from getting wrecked. And, you might be wondering, well, why wouldn't you just put it here right now? Well, the reason is, if it goes down, there's a good chance that it could go down past this, and it's going to sell your position, and then it's going to shoot up again. So that's kind of the balance you have to find. But hopefully we'll just kind of, hopefully I won't even have to worry about that, because it will continue to go up. And I can raise my stop loss and like lock in all my gains. So, all right, that's it. Hopefully this live stream got recorded properly, and I'll do more of them, and trade safely, my friend.